Hi, Anya. You guys sailing?
They're drinking, so.
You guys just sailing the Pacific Ocean? A long journey. You sailing the sea. You sailing the sea, babe. Bye-bye, rats.